striking with implements. And remember, you've just had a quick review of what striking is. Remember, striking is just simply hitting. So today, you're going to have an opportunity to strike or hit a ball. Remember, the materials that you will need for today will be a small ball, a bat, and some sort of tee. Now, I'm going to give you some ideas of how you can create a homemade tee in just a moment. Let's also take a moment to review what an implement is. An implement, remember, can be long-handled, say like a hockey stick, or it can be short-handled, like a ping pong paddle. Today, we're going to be using a bat as our implement. So let's talk about how we're going to do this. First of all, we got to create our tee. Now, I have a tee, actually, that is my son's. But notice that I've had to place a box under it so that I have it at the proper height. But there are many things around your own house that you can use to create a tee. Let's take a look at some ideas. To create my tee for today, I first off had to find a couple of boxes, which I found in my garage, and I just simply stacked them on top of each other. But now you have to find something to place the ball in. So here's what I found. I found an old cup from an old restaurant we've gone to. I found an old water bottle with the top off. And I also found a toilet paper roll. So we can use any one of these three items to create the stand in which our ball is going to be placed on. Let's take a look at what that will look like. I'm going to try it with my water bottle first. So again, I've taken the top off. I'm going to place my water bottle on top of my box. And I just simply place my ball on the top of the water bottle. And voila, I have a tee. If you don't have a water bottle, try using a small cup. You can place the cup on top of your boxes, and there you go, another type of tee. Or you can use the old toilet paper roll. Place your toilet paper roll on top of your boxes and place your ball on top. And there you go, you have a tee. So don't think that you have to have a store-bought tee in order to complete this activity. I'm sure you have things laying around the house today that you can use. So make sure that you have all your materials together before you start this activity. So before we begin, we need to talk about the proper form of using the implement called the bat. So the first thing I want you to do, just like we did last week, is I want you to hold up your dominant hand. Remember, your dominant hand is usually the hand that you write with. So you're going to take your dominant hand and you're going to place that on the bat. This hand will be on top of your opposite hand. So again, you're going to place your dominant hand, the hand you used to write with, on top, and your opposite hand underneath, and you're going to grip that nice and tightly. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to place your feet about shoulder width apart. Okay, so if you look down, it should be in line with your shoulders. Okay, so a nice space between your feet. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to position yourself so that when you place your bat out, it goes almost to the end of your bat. Okay, you don't want to place it all the way to the end because there's a chance you could miss it. Right? So about this position right here would be nice for striking that ball. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to place the bat on your dominant hand's shoulder. So this is the hand that I write with. This is my dominant hand shoulder. So I'm going to place that bat, not laying it on my shoulder, slightly above, still gripping that bat nice and tight. So I have it back on my shoulder. I'm going to bend my knees slightly. And the very important thing about striking a ball with an implement is to keep your eye on the ball. So if I keep my eye on the ball and I strike, I'm sure to hit it. Let's see what happens. And I hit the ball. Did you notice that when my bat hit the ball, I did a follow through? I kept swinging my bat all the way through. So make sure when you're practicing hitting your ball off of your T, that you do the same thing. So let's review that proper form and technique. It's very important. You have your bat. This is my writing hand on the top, opposite hand underneath. Position my feet shoulder width apart, placing my bat above my dominant hand, shoulder. I'm also going to bend my knees slightly, and I'm going to put my eye on the ball. I'm going to follow through when I strike the ball, and I'm going to watch it soar. So here's what I want you to do. Take some time, get some good practice in. Today's video submission is going to be a video of you practicing this skill. Now your video only needs to be 30 to 45 seconds long, so nothing fancy. But what I'm going to be checking for is that proper form and technique. Okay? So I want you to give that a shot. Have a parent or a friend or an older sibling help you with this. You're sure to get better with lots of practice. Have fun.